Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing, lovely day so far. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to create a powerful castor oil and cayenne pepper infusion that will aid in combating inflammation. It will also help with warming the body for better circulation, as well as waking up sleeping organs. So let's get into it. Okay, so 3 things that you will be needing for this process. The first of which is going to be a clean glass mason jar. The second is going to be, of course, organic castor oil. You want hexane free in a glass bottle. If you're unsure where to get some, I do have an excellent source linked in the description box below. And then the third, and equally as important, is going to be organic cayenne pepper. And the reason why I say organic cayenne pepper is because of the overwhelming prevalence of pesticides and heavy metals in our herbs these days. It's been all over the news. It's been in multiple articles. It's been on TikTok. It's been on Instagram. It's been everywhere. And if you really truly want to heal yourself, you have to get the herbs at their purest form, and organic is really the way to go. If you're not really sure where to get really good quality organic cayenne pepper, of course, I will have that linked in the description box as well. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna add 1 cup of castor oil per every 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. So add the castor oil first, and then add your cayenne pepper over top, and then just stir that baby in with no rhyme or reason. Just stir it in, and then slowly you're going to see the castor oil breaking down the cayenne pepper. It's going to be withdrawing those healing anti-inflammatory properties, that beneficial plant compound, and then after about 5 hours or so, you can either choose to stir it up again, or you can use it right then and there. It's really up to you. Just seal it, store it for up to a year, and you are good to go. And just in case you're wondering what this infusion treats, it helps with rheumatoid arthritis, it helps with regular arthritis, it helps with joint pain, gout, plantar fasciitis. It actually cured my dad's plantar fasciitis, not even kidding. Swelling, poor blood circulation due to diabetes. It could help with cold hands and cold feet. It could help with hypothyroidism. It could help with boils, abscesses, anything that's angry, you name it. Just don't put it on your bum, don't put it around the eyes, and don't put it anywhere in the genital area. I'm just saying, thank me later. Everywhere else though is pretty much fair game, and you will have definitely a warming sensation. That is the blood flow coming to the top of the skin, but it will never burn you. It will never blister you. Cayenne pepper, as opposed to other peppers out there, will never burn or blister. That's gonna do it for this cayenne pepper castor oil infusion instructional video. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable and a little bit entertaining. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy, and I'm gonna be seeing y'all very, very soon.